This crazy idea started about 5 years ago. I went to visit my mother just before she passed away. So we spent a beautiful evening together, and then all of a sudden she started to tell me about her grandfather and grandmother, how they met in a restaurant, because my great-grandfather used to be a chef as well. Then I know that my grandfather and my grandmother, they met in a restaurant because my grandfather used to be a chef. And then she told me that my father met my mother in a greengrocer shop. And all of a sudden I went, wait a second. I met my wife, Jessica, in a restaurant. We were in Spain. I used to be the chef. She used to be the waiter. So my brain went like, wow. So in the last 4 generations, all my family have met through food. And I thought, we are in Italy, one of the most beautiful countries in the world, surrounded by great food. Food, love, cooking up. How about I'm going to open a cookery school just for single people? Because if it happened to my family, you know, why could it not happen with other people? How can it not work? Look at that. How can you not fall in love in a place like this? So I'm going to be the teacher. They're going to be my love students. And we're going to see what's going to happen. I think it's going to happen. Wish me luck, because I think it's going to happen. Hey, boys. Juk. Che c'è, Papa? Hey. Do you think my students are going to fall in love? What do you think? Do you think they're going to fall in love? I think so. Come on, let's show them how to cook. Come on, buddy.
Ho sbagliato tante volte ormai che lo so già. Che oggi quasi certamente sto sbagliando su di te. Ma una volta in più che cosa può cambiare nella vita mia? Accettare questo strano appuntamento è stata una pazzia. Sono triste.
Oh, I like this colour.
I have been engaged 3 times. And my mother said to me once, she said, you're not Battersea Dogs Home, Chloe. You don't need to pick up the strays. Like, I felt like I was always looking for some kind of project. And then I think I realised that I was probably the project, and I've done a lot of work on myself. And yeah, I'm ready now.
This tomato's a bit hard. Do you think it's gone off? I've been divorced for 12 years and I've got 2 lovely girls from that relationship. I spend a lot of years looking after them rather than dating, so it's probably only since they've got a bit older that I've started to date and just haven't found anybody to settle down with us yet.
Chloe, what's this? Help me. I married my first boyfriend. We were together for 6 years. Now I'm looking for my second boyfriend, I guess. I mean, second husband, but let's not scare people.
Yeah, so I think...
There they are. Buongiorno.
Hey, Gino.
Eh?
Oh, my gosh.
Come in, guys. Come in. Don't be afraid. Look, this is Justina, Tom, Andy. Say something. You're gobsmacked. You don't want to say anymore. Okay, so I'm going to take the blame if this doesn't work, because I've done the pairing up. Okay? So you're going to have to stay with me. But I think I got it right. And all I need for my experiment to work is for you to find someone you want to continue seeing back home. So, Justina?
Yes.
Kevin.
Hello, Kevin.
There you go. That's it. That's what I like, Kevin. Go. That's it.
He's not my usual type, but there was something about him. I think cooking can be a very powerful way of meeting your future somebody.
Tom, I'm going to stay away from you. Tom, you go Chloe.
Nice to meet you, Tom. Let's hug it out.
I've been single about 2 and a bit years. I would describe myself as quite a gentle soul in general. I can be quite quiet when I'm nervous.
Andy, it's Kia.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Kia, I would say he is my type. First thing I noticed was his eyes and the smile. If potentially something happens in happy days.
Remember, you are in Italy. I want to see cuddles and kisses.
Oh, more cuddles.
Yeah, go. No, it's never enough. It's never enough.
Get a room.
Can I tell you just the rules on my cookery school? There is no rules.
Oh.
We do not tell people off if they kiss each other. You're not gonna get suspended if we find you behind a tree do something. This is the only school where you can do whatever you want, okay? You go 4 days together and hopefully some of you will find a spark. Please, the only one thing, do not fall in love with the teacher, okay? So it's only amongst yourself. Okay?
Yes.
Ready to cook?
Yes.
Yes.
Come on, come here. So the first demonstration is all about cooking for 2 people, cooking for a pair. We are going to make fettuccine with a white ragu. We make with minced pork. It's amazing.
I don't eat meat, Gino.
Chloe, don't worry about it. You don't have to use the meat. Okay, so we go minced pork, we go our mascarpone, defrosted peas, a little bit of pecorino cheese. Just be careful the way you pronounce it, because pecorino with an O is the cheese. If you put an A at the end and you call it pecorina, that means, get closer. That means doggy style in Italian. And if you ask for pecorina in Italy, you will get it. Okay, so what we're doing, I'm gonna put a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, and then we're gonna put the onions, and that's the base. Now, with rosemary is one of those herbs which is fantastic to fry it at the beginning, so it releases the flavor. Rosemary can take the heat. So in there, we're gonna put the minced pork. Now, for the pasta, 300 grams of flour. Then in there, we are going to crack in 3 eggs. Andy, do you cook?
I do. Mainly Asian, some Spanish, not too much Italian yet.
Kia, can you cook Italian food?
I can make a lasagna, not with fresh sauce or with fresh pasta.
Okay.
I can
Not with
warp
fresh
it.
sauce and with fresh pasta, yeah? So a frozen lasagna that you get. Once the flour starts to absorb the egg slowly, you need to get your fingers in there and do it together. You can pretend that you are in the movie, you know, Ghost. There we're gonna add the mascarpone now. Now we need to deal with the pasta.
I'm just intrigued to see how you're going to cut this in equal,
See what I'm doing
equal
here?
parts of pasta, you know?
Equal?
Yes.
Nobody said equal.
Nobody equal.
We are in Italy, we don't do anything equal. We do things, as we say in Italian, very willy-nilly. To do the fettuccine, more or less, this is the size. Ready?
Yeah.
Look at that.
And that's how you do it. Okay, pasta goes straight in there. And then the last 30 seconds, we get the pasta and the sauce together. Like that. So each strand of pasta absorbs the flavor of the sauce. And the last ingredients we're going to add is truffle oil. Just drizzle on top. I want you to add 1 ingredient on top of my recipe. Not literally on top. I don't want to see a tomato on top of my pasta. 1 ingredient that you think is going to work. Bear in mind that this is my grandmother's recipe. Okay? All clear? Yes. Fantastic. Let's do it. Back to the station and let's cook up some love. Come on, come on.
Come on, Tom.
Do it.
I feel like they're my children. I don't want to jinx it, but I think we will see some love. I'm gonna bring 3 more students in, so then we can give love more of a chance. Buonasera.
Buonasera.
Bella. Mwah, mwah. How you doing?
Hello.
New people. The way I see it, too many cooks spoils the dish.